Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? I am going to be doing all the prep work on the fans, putting the noise dampening pads on. Go ahead on and dusting off the Intel DQ45CB. Go ahead on and get that ready to go for the build, and also be putting in the CPU bracket. Go ahead on and watch this quick video as I go ahead and install these components on the parts that I'm using, and enjoy the video. All right, everybody, that was fun to do. I installed the bracket on the DQ45CB motherboard, Intel LGA775. I installed all sound dampers on the up here 120mm fans. These are the uphill C8123. Now, if you buy the uphill fan, just keep in mind that the dampers don't come on, so you have to install them yourself. So, which is a pretty simple, easy process. And I put the magnet on the back of the controller, because the controller did come with no adhesive tape. So that was a big plus right there, to go ahead on and install that magnetic tape on there. That's a good option too. Now some of these controller hubs comes with the adhesive back onto it. You can go ahead and scrape that off if you don't want it, and go ahead and put the magnet tape up there. The magnet roll, you can go ahead and get from your local store. I picked this up from Walmart at the craft section. So this is a big plus to have, as well as a lot of creators mentioned if you do have the adhesive on the controller, you can go ahead and peel that off. And it's best to go ahead and just put the magnet on there. So you can go ahead on and put it up there, take it off. You can change it around with the adhesive. Once you stick it on there with the adhesive, once you stick it up there, it stays there. And then once you remove it, that's done. The applicator is done. So it's good to go ahead and install the magnetic strip on the back of the hubs. Alrighty, can't wait to go ahead on with the build soon. Y'all look out for that video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.